I was gonna make it a habit to like start the vlog while I'm exercising, but yeah, it is pretty cold right now. I cannot run. No, maybe I can, but it would take a lot of layers, a lot of stuff. So I'm moving my run in the like midday, 8-9 o'clock. I got that time now because it's not that busy. I just need to assign a lot of people and then boom, I'm done. And then check up in the afternoon. Yeah. Anyway, yep. Pretty cold today. Pretty cold. Here we go. Work time. Last building to call out, and then we're done. We're done with this cycle. Yeah, time to clean up. Well, we started cleaning, but yeah, continue cleaning until I don't know when's the loading. But yeah, pray for early loading. That is the goal. But we'll see. Pandemic shit. On other news, it's not work related, but my motorcycle won't start. I think it's they call it hunsui, the one you put on the spark plug. Good. So I think I'm gonna buy a new one because I think the old one is wrecked. Gotta watch my step, sorry. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna change that and maybe the CDI. We'll see. We'll see. Well, it's official. My mechanic can't handle the job, so we have to bring the motorcycle to a proper mechanic, like a mechanic. So yeah, here we go. So yeah, my motorcycle is alive. I changed the spark plug. Now it's bigger from 18 to 21. I don't know what that means, but yeah, this ignition coil, I don't know. That's new, but the CDI I can't change because there's no match, so it's just that it runs now, so it's pretty good. Yeah, yay. Now I'm ready for my run, done with my work day. I think I'm going back later, I don't know, but yeah, maybe I'll close the vlog here because I'm going out for a run. See you when I see you.